Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make real lemonade. First, gather your essential ingredients for the freshest taste. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and cold water. Make sure you have a sturdy pitcher and a reliable lemon juicer ready. These basic items are key to starting your delicious homemade lemonade journey right. Next, prepare your lemons by rolling them firmly on a counter before cutting them in half. This helps extract more juice. Squeeze the lemons until you have about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Simultaneously, create a simple syrup by heating 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water until the sugar fully dissolves. Let it cool slightly. Now it's time to combine everything. Pour your fresh lemon juice and the cooled simple syrup into your pitcher. Stir them together thoroughly. Then, gradually add about 3 cups of cold water, mixing well after each addition. Taste the lemonade and adjust the sweetness or tartness by adding more water or a bit more simple syrup if desired. Finally, your homemade lemonade is ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled over plenty of ice for the most refreshing experience. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Any leftover lemonade can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days, perfect for a quick cool down.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.